wanted to switch things up a bit and show you guys step by step how to apply eyelash extension. This eyelash extensions kit is by You Luck. The link along with a discount will be down in the description box below. Now, first impressions, these lashes are so full and luscious, but they're given natural and not too full. In the kit, you get the seal and the bond, and you get the lash remover. It comes with an applicator so you could grab the eyelashes easily and apply them. First, you start with the bond. This is basically the glue that holds the lash extensions to your natural eyelashes. So take your time and apply them to your lashes. You honestly don't need to add so much. I'm just a little extra. And now using the applicator, you grab the eyelash extensions like so, and you apply them underneath your lashes, and you basically rinse and repeat the same process. And I believe my last map that I used was 2 14s, 2 16s, and 3 18s. And please excuse my voice, I am just getting over a cold. I'm feeling better though, I'm feeling better, I'm getting there. Now back to the matter at hand. You want to make sure that you position your mirror right underneath your chin, like right under your face, so you can see exactly where you're placing the lashes. I added some bond to the lash extensions itself to ensure that the lash sticks to the lashes towards the end, because I didn't have that many of my lashes there, to give it more of a hold there. I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, please let me know in the comments. I got you. Now it's time to seal the deal. You just apply it over your lashes and under. This is extra security to help hold the lashes together longer. And let me tell you, every time I see the difference, it's like night and day. Look at that. Wow. It gets me every time. Now you just repeat the same thing on the other eye. These lashes are gorgeous. Look at that. So full and just beautiful. Okay. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And let me know if you have any questions. If you made it this far into the video, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you. Don't forget the link to this beautiful lash extensions kit is in the description box below. Thank you for vibing with me. See you on the next one.